Yes, your girl is back with another interesting video you will all love to watch. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make plantain chips at home. Maybe you want to start selling it for business or you are frying it for family use. This video is for you. Just keep watching. So guys, I'm starting with this unripe plantain. I went to the market. I saw this plantain. It's not that strong, but it's manageable. So they sold it for 7 a pound. I decided to buy it and use it for plantain chips for the family. So as you can see, I'm washing the plantain just to get rid of all the sand on it. After washing it, then I'll start peeling it off. Plantain is one of the most important food you'll find in Nigeria, and it's very expensive. It can be eaten in many ways. You can let the green plantain ripe and then you fry it, enjoy it with porridge beans, or maybe use it to cook beans porridge. You can also enjoy it with pap, you can enjoy it with agege bread. You can also enjoy plantain with egg for breakfast. It can be eaten in many ways. You can use a green plantain for plantain fufu, or maybe you want to cook plantain porridge. You are going to love it, whichever way you want to prepare this plantain. Plantain peel has a lot of health benefits. Plantain peel can restore sexual performance in male. Maybe you can no longer perform the way you used to perform as usual. Plantain peel is good for you. You can start boiling plantain peel, drink the water, or whenever you want to eat plantain fufu, you prepare your plantain fufu including with the peel. Don't throw any out of it. So once I'm done peeling it off, I'm just going to wash it neatly just to get rid of all the dirties on it. And then the next process is for me to slice it into smaller sizes. So next, I'm going to slice it into smaller sizes. At this point, I'm going to be using my food processor to slice the plantain. You can use your grater or you can use knife to cut it into smaller sizes. So this food processor has a lot of blades you can use depending on what you are doing. So I'm going to be using this one to slice the plantain. So once I'm done using the food processor to slice this plantain, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. I really love the way the food processor sliced it. Remember, you can use your grater. There's a space for you to slice your plantain. You can also use knife, just that is going to take time. So next, I'm adding the plantain in the hot oil. Remember, if you like to add salt whenever you're frying your plantain, don't add it on the plantain. First, dissolve the salt in the oil before you start adding the plantain. That way, the salt is going to enter the plantain just the way you like it. But I don't like adding salt on my plantain whenever I'm frying it. That is why I didn't add salt on it. So if you are going to be doing your own, you love to add salt, add it on the oil before you fry it, okay? I'm going to fry it until it becomes yellowish in color or a little bit golden brown. We don't want it to get burnt. We want it to attract the eyes. So be mindful the way you fry your plantain. So that is it. Once I'm done frying the plantain chips, this is how it looks. It really came out nice, just like the ones you used to buy in the market. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you all on my next one.